Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a Verizon Internet Gateway step by step in 2026. So first of all, you need to open the box and check that everything is included in it. You should typically find the Verizon Internet Gateway device, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. Now place the gateway in a central location in your home, preferably near a window or an open space. So this is going to help the device get a stronger signal. Now plug the power adapter into the gateway, then connect it to the wall outlet. Press the power button if your model has one. The device will then begin starting up and you will see the indicator lights turned on. The startup usually takes a few minutes, so you need to wait until the main light becomes stable. Now grab your smartphone and download the My Verizon app if you don't already have it. Sign in into your Verizon account. Then the app will automatically detect your internet gateway and guide you through the setup process. Follow the instructions in order to activate the gateway and connect it to your account. Once the gateway is activated, you can connect your devices to the Wi-Fi. Look for the SSID, which is printed on the label on the gateway device. Then enter the default Wi-Fi password, which is also printed on the label. After connecting your phone, your smartphone, or your laptop, everything should be working and everything should have the internet access. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.